Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to log in Wix Easy Guide. Open your browser, go to Wix.com, and click Sign In to begin the login process. Enter your email or username and password, or choose Google, Facebook, or Apple Single Sign-On. If you forgot your password, use the Reset Password link to get an email. Stay with me, and I will guide you step by step through quick troubleshooting tips. Start by verifying your account email and confirming you can access that inbox. On the sign-in page, enter your email and password exactly as set, then click Login. For Google or Facebook sign-in, click the matching button and allow permissions. If two-step verification is enabled, enter the code from your phone or Authenticator app. Keep passwords unique and use a password manager to stay secure for easier. If you encounter login errors, first clear your browser cache and cookies, then try again. Use a private window to rule out extension interference and ensure your browser is up to date. If the reset password email doesn't arrive, check spam and email filters or request another link. For locked accounts, follow on-screen steps or contact Wix support via the Help Center. Keep recovery emails updated to avoid delays promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.